So in this video we'll take a look at scheduling reports in Business Central. So why would you want to schedule a report? Well, perhaps a report takes a little while to run, so instead of sitting there waiting for a report to run, you can just schedule it and have it in your inbox. Or it could be that you just start on a report first thing in the morning, so the report may as well be there waiting for you as you log in. Or it might be some sort of reports that are sort of not really static database, maybe open sales orders, or because received that invoice that you need the report at a specific time and you can't really create that type of report again by using dates. So you just need it run and in your inbox ready to go. So there's a couple of ways to do this, but possibly the easiest way is just to run a report as normal. So if we come into items here and we come into run a report and we're in inventory, and maybe perhaps let's run orders, inventory purchase orders, because that's a report that just gives you the snapshot at that point in time. So you can do filters and everything else as per normal, but instead of sort of print or preview, come into send to and come into schedule. And so if I just wanted this as a one-off, that's fine. I can just click OK, obviously choose what kind of output I want here, and that will come through to my inbox. Or I could choose, run this every day, or run this every week, or run this every month, or put more of a date formula in there, and I could have that processed through as normal. And I can just select OK here. I'm just going to take a note of my report ID here, 709, because we'll come back to that in a second. So that's scheduled and will then start to run. So another way we can do this, if we decided we actually wanted that job we've just done to run on a different schedule or create a report in the first place, we can come up to job queue entries, and we can either select new here or come in and find a different type of report, or just find the one we've just created. So there's our inventory purchase orders. We can open this job, and it's in a running mode at the minute, but I can get it into set it on hold so it becomes editable. So I could have come in here and created a report this way. So you just come into job entries, create new job entry, and say what you're wanting to do. You're running a report, whichever report you want to run, and you can come and search for a report in here and do it that way. And then you can schedule very slightly differently down here, so you can say actually I only need this on a Wednesday, and run it in that particular fashion and get that to run every week. So one thing to remember when you're doing it this way is to come in and set the status back to ready, or restart the whole thing off, so the job is continued to schedule and run in the future. But where did the reports end up? Well, they'll end up back on your role center. So come back into your role center and scrolling down. And down here we have a report inbox. So all of your reports will start to appear in here, and you can just view the report as normal. And obviously if you need to get rid of the report, you can do these kind of things. You can select multiple reports there and delete them out, or again you can show the job queue entry in here and come back to looking at the job queues and edit your reports there. So that is scheduling reports in Business Central.